Hello, my loves! Today we're gonna create a romantic scrunchie DIY project, and also I'll show you how to incorporate it into some super simple hairstyles. So we'll begin with our hairstyles first. So grab our top section like I'm showing, we'll brush it lightly, we'll tie it using our romantic scrunchie. We want to leave some hair out and pull a little bit the crown to make it balloonist, and you're done. Our second one is a simple ponytail, so we want to make a parting if you want, and tie a very low ponytail. Fluff her up a little bit your romantic accessory, loosen your crown section, leave some hair out. Yeah, and you're done. For an updo, we'll grab all our hair into a very high ponytail. You can wrap it like I'm showing, or you can tie it. But the last time, make sure to pull it only halfway through, leave some hair out, pull a little bit the top to make it fuller and voluminous, and hide the ends. Our last one, we'll divide all our hair into two equal sections, and we want to grab a small section of hair from the one side and we want to wrap it away from our face, incorporating more hair, creating two rolls like I'm showing. And when we'll reach the back section, we want to bring them both together. Pull your hair only halfway through like that and wrap the ends around depending on how long your hair is, and then tie your romantic accessory over. So now we'll make our scrunchie, and you'll need for that a thread that matches the color of your fabric, a needle of course, and a hair elastic 20 centimeters or 8 inches width of a fabric. The length will be about 1 meter or 40 inches. So we'll bring half of our width of our tulle fabric through our hair elastic, and we will sew the edges of our tulle fabric together, making a simple seam. Don't try to make something complicated because nobody will see it and nobody will pay attention, trust me. So we want to sew it all around our hair elastic like I'm showing. Now we want to bring our fabric inside out. Also, I'll suggest you to turn this seam inside like I'm showing. And we will sew the edges from both sides, creating like an invisible seam. And they're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this romantic accessory. If you like hairstyles from today and this DIY project, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, so this way I know that I have to do more this kind of tutorials. And subscribe if you're new, and you know I love you so much and you cannot do anything with that. See you soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye.